This is a review of the under cabinet light motion sensor detection lights that you put underneath your cabinet that I'm going to be doing a review about. In this review, we're going to unbox this, show you guys what you get in this package, and from there, and also install it as well too. Now you can see here's the 4200 MAAH. It states that right there. Pretty much an auto on and off switch, and also some motion detection as well too. That states right there. Rechargeable, magnetic, dimmable, side illumination, and wireless and fast charging. It comes with two USB chargers that you pretty much charge it whenever it needs to be charged. And without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get in this package, and from there we would also install it. So we got everything out of the package, and you can see here we got two of these, and these are 11 inches, so they're much more wider. They're much more bigger size as compared to the 8-inch one. If you guys saw the last video I made, that was the 8-inch one. This one is 11-inch one, so significantly more bigger and also pretty much more longer. Now you can see here it comes with two USB chargers, so if the battery goes low, then use both of them. It comes with both of them supplied right over here. This right over here is the magnetics. So these magnetics, it comes with the adhesive in the back that I'm going to be showing you guys in this video. So you peel that off, and from there, underneath here, you pretty much attach it underneath. So any location you find, you just mount it on there. But now this time, when the place that I'm going to install it is going to be underneath the fireplace, so pretty much where you see the fireplace that in every home that has a fireplace. I'm gonna put it underneath it, so it'll look cool at night and also illuminate and give you that beautiful ambience appearance. But yeah, we're gonna pretty much now install it, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how exactly you pretty much mount these magnetics, the adhesive, how you peel it off, and from there show you guys how you exactly install it. Okay, so right over here, you see there's an adhesive located right over here that you gently peel off. From there, you see it's like very sticky. So that's the location where you're gonna mount these onto the piece of the lights, the under cabinet lights. So I'm gonna take this whole thing slowly out like that and pretty much like peel it off just like that. And then we're gonna stick it onto a location just like this. And this right here, the blue part right here, that's the magnetic where it's gonna pretty much stick. So I'm gonna be taking this off and show you guys how you exactly put it on. Okay, so this is how exactly you mount it. So I put one right over here, one right over here. Then you take the adhesive off from here. So right from here, we're ready to install this. So now what I'm gonna do now is go to my fireplace underneath the cabinet, and we're gonna pretty much hook it up and install it. Now you can see here it's extremely sticky. The quality, I do want to say, is really outstanding and marvelous and amazing. The videos doesn't do the justice on how amazing this product is, especially what the effects that I'm going to be showing you guys once it's installed. But right here is very sticky. So now what we're going to do now is pretty much it's very simple and easy, and we're just going to install it. Okay, so this is the second set. You can see I have both of these on right here. So it's super sticky, and we got both of them mounted to how how I want it. Now we're pretty much going to show you guys the finished results. I have it on now. Pretty much I'm going to pretty much mount it on. Okay, so this is the finished results that I have. Like I mentioned, I was going to go do it underneath the pillar of the fireplace. So that means underneath here. So if I show you guys underneath here, you can see that they're installed right here. You don't even see them, which is the huge plus about them, that it's like hidden. And this is a cool white color, and pretty much you could have you could change the brightness to it, so you could have it in a dim one. So this is actually the full brightness, the max mode color, and it's extremely bright. Now if I wanted to, I could also change the colors as well too, like pretty much like dim it, which is what I mean. So I do want to mention that it has motion detection. So when I turn it on, so if I come close to it, they'll automatically turn on. But pretty much from there, it has different effects of motion detection. And this is like off. You want to press it off, the button is right over here, and then turn on is right here. This is like the dim mode. So if you want to dim it, you can also dim it. This is the second brightness level, the third one, the fourth one, and then last but not least, the fifth one. That's the full brightness level. And then from there, that's the the pretty much the max that it could be bright. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna turn the lights off and show you guys how it, how beautiful this thing looks at nighttime. Okay, so this is how it looks like at night. So this is the full finished results of these under cabinet lights. They are super amazing. One of the things I love about this product is that it's extremely easy to install. It's not anything too complicating. It comes with two adhesive. You peel that off, put it on the underneath of those those lights, and then pretty much like stick it on wherever you feel like you want to give ambience. This product itself, it really changes the whole appearance of my home. I would definitely recommend this product if you're looking for a set of ambient lights to pretty much change the whole atmosphere and the appearance of your home. Then this, this product right here is probably one of the best products you could get. And I mean, I'm super amazed with it. It's really easy to install. It's user friendly. It's extremely bright. It does what it needs to be done. Like it pretty much is, super bright, and it gives a whole change of appearance to my home. I would definitely and highly recommend this product if you're looking to improvise your home and change the atmosphere of your home. Then this is probably one of the best products that you could get.